If you saw my last video, you would have noticed that I've started taking part in GameJams. As a beginner game dev, they give a clear purpose and limited time frame to test out the skills and get some feedback while we are at it. But overcommitting comes back to bite everyone. Happens to everyone, happened to me. So there were 2 game jams happening at the same time, one for 2 days and one for 4 or 5. One was the Melon Jam and then the other was Kenny and Cake It Jam. What I thought was, since they're starting at the same time, around at the difference of 1 hour, I'll try to merge the themes of both and build my first 3D game. So I've kind of built one 3D game before this, that too following tutorials from beginning to end. So I thought it will be a good way to test out. But this is what happened. Let's have a look. Yep, I went ahead, drafted the idea merging both the themes, downloaded assets from Kit and Kenny, planned out a monster park, zombie hunt, and my player flies. It damn doesn't stay on the ground. It just starts flying as soon as I start the game. I know, it's totally debatable. But my beginner self and the crunch of few hours within the span of 2 days, I gave the couple hours for the first day and then booked it. Anyway, yeah, I'll debug it and try to put up on it, not with this jam though. So while you are here, other than the game jam that I mentioned in the last video, after a week of my first game jam, I participated consecutively in 2 other jams, and these are the games that I built in that. A jigsaw puzzle for the GameDev TV jam. I quickly wanted to try out the Godot UI nodes and felt like having a jigsaw puzzle where you can upload your own pictures and play jigsaw with it would be a good idea. I think the result is acceptable. I'll improve it further, as in the entire UX of it. If there are any ideas, please comment down. The other game was an idler, a cozy, comfy fishing game for the comfy game jam. This one I actually like. I created all the artwork separately, tried to make it very feel good, fuzzy, warm, feely. I have few plans for it, but I'm still in the churn of refining the idea which will actually suit the feeling that I'm going for it here. So pray for me. Thank you. Bye bye.